Just like my granddad used to clean up his workshop and organize his tools every week, in knowledge work, we can do the same via a weekly review. That could be one of the cornerstones every end of the week, realigning, reflecting, reviewing the past week, and planning and prioritizing for the week ahead. And this can take the form of this weekly review system in Notion, for example, or in any other system. And on a daily basis then, during the week, having a closed list of the specific tasks and projects and action items that we will work on to execute and make progress on the overall direction of life and work, and scheduling those activities in the calendar. And in this system, this can be all integrated if using Notion calendar, for example, and then following the schedule and doing the work. And whenever things come up from external people or circumstances, we can create a new item in the task inbox, and we can worry about that later unless it's very, very urgent, which is very rare, because then the inbox is processed maybe at the end of the day or at the beginning of the next day, and those activities will make their way to the closed list eventually when the time comes, but without disrupting the flow of the day, because everything that you do on a daily basis is aligned with the objectives and the overall direction that you are pushing toward, with a gentle awareness that's not too restricted, that's expansive and yet very focused and aligned towards the direction where you want to go. And over time, if you stay on track and maintain that gentle, expansive awareness, you will reach the destination that you want to reach, only to find out at last that is not the place where you want to be, and then starting again.